Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3, Section 3, Electromagnetic Field and Wave. Today we are going to present our project, which is Smart IoT Door Lock. Our group member consists of 5 members, which is Nur Akmal Azwar binti Adnan, Abdul Sabi bin Muhammad Ramli, Muzammil Fitri bin Mahad, which is me, Muhammad Akram Irfan bin Muhammad Rizal Hanafi, and Muhammad Hafiz Hanif bin Adnin. Introduction. Magnetostatic studies magnetic field in systems with constant currents similar to electrostatic. It can predict quick magnetic switching events on millisecond time periods. Door locks designed to prevent burglars require access using key, fingerprint or smart card. A 24/7 assistance system is provided from us to maintain security. Our program segment has three aspects. For the first one, security is one of the aspects that we need to pay attention. Second one, there are many cases of lost goods. And lastly, many people always take it lightly by using normal locks that can easily be broken. That's all from me. I will pass to Abdul Sabit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Sabi bin Muhammad Ramli. So now I will present about objective. So the first objective is use authentication methods, which is keypad entry to open the door. So the second objective is to learn the interfacing of a solenoid lock with Arduino. And the third and the last one is design to provide high level security and protection against unauthorized access. So for methodology, so as you can see, there is a block diagram. So the block diagram shows that we need keypad. After that, we will settle down the microcontroller, which is using the Arduino Uno, and the last one is by using electronic lock, which is solenoid. So the second one is flowchart. So the flowchart, we need to start from the yellow color, which is start, and then we need to set passcode. After that, it will read the passcode. If the passcode is yes, the solenoid normally close and it will unlock the door. But if it is otherwise, which is when the set passcode and it read passcode uh, different, and it the it, it will set as no, and the solenoid will normally open and it will lock the door. After that, we need to retry again by setting the passcode again.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hanif. I want to present about prototype analysis and discussion. Before the servo motor turn on and turn the door lock, user must first enter the password, which the keypad will read. If the password is incorrect, the servo motor will not turn on. We must type the password that has been predicted in the program. The user can update the password as necessary. For the conclusion, the password-based door lock system using Arduino is quite affordable. We are using reasonable price component cost, which make it cost effective. Anyone can edit the model for security purpose, and developing code is made incredibly simple with the aid of the library. An Arduino-based door lock system can be used for fix the problem with the current door lock system because it's easy to install and take apart and has not expensive or replacing component. The password-based door lock system using Arduino is a time-saving programmable module that will help us to afford top-notch security. Okay, that's all for our group. Thank you.